And we're back. Hello everybody. My name is Marcel Irnie, and this is the Ninja 400 rear set installation of Woodcraft CFM. First step on the brake side assembly is to pre-assemble most of the brake side rear set. So you got the brake attached, they got a piece, you know, it's obviously everything's going to be put on and Loctited later on. So I kind of just did all the pre-assembly as per the instructions. Let's take a quick look at the OEM. I just started loosening it up, pulled out a couple bolts, because I'm running out of time, guys. I got to get ready to go to the racetrack here with Let's Ride Track Days at Willow Springs. So I took out the two OEM bolts to loosen the clamp up, and then I was able to remove the spring and the cotter pin on the bottom of this right here, so I can just pull out the brake assembly. And I was able to remove, then just twist out, and actually this plastic piece at the bottom, it de-threads, but of course then, you know, you're twisting the cables. So the best bet is actually you push it in and the whole thing just pops out. You can see it's got a couple little little spindle things you can push in. So anyways, I'm going to continue deassembling that. I'll pull this apart, pull this off, separate the rear master cylinder, and then we can start installing the Woodcraft and get it mocked up. Make sure you have it the same height as the left side. So in terms of that, I went for a low setting initially to test it out. Well, I almost fell backwards. To test it out, so I went in the upper bolt, which has the rear set lower, and I adjusted, of course, the shifter in consequence to have my correct angle that I want for my boot. And as you can see, I actually used shoe goo on top of Loctite, because from my experience, these bolts are the most prone to back out. So, and then I even went ahead and did these ones where you can check on the engine timing, etc. So yeah, let's get to it. As you can imagine, it's tough to film because I'm by myself right now, but you're going to see this bracket just fall off, and there we go. Caught it. There you go, guys. Took off the main brackets off the frame and then off the rear master cylinder. Now, from what I read in the instructions, what we're reusing is this washer here, guys. So I'm going to remove this and get that washer out, because it's going to go essentially right between here, I believe, on the inside. Oh, I realize now it's not the outside washer. This is the washer that Woodcraft's decided to reuse the OEM. And so that was going to go in between here. So tough to do with one hand. I'll give it a little try right now. See how far I make it. It's going to go in there. Like so, I believe, as per the instructions. Right there, yeah, OEM washer between that and that. And of course, get your AMSOIL grease. I'm just using the AMSOIL multi-purpose grease, and do it on that. So then this will then go on like so. There we go. Get the brake pedal actuation, nice and smooth, what you want. Okay, let's get your Loctite out. If it doesn't freeze on me, come on. Damn it. Alright, cut. Okay, and we're back. So it dries up at the tip sometimes and clogs the hole. This is tough with one hand, guys. See what I do for you guys? Making my life way more difficult. I'll come back. There you go. Found myself a little tripod, so I'm just using my saddle tool and torquing her down. Not too tight, but tight enough. So that Loctite's going to do its job, but you got to have a good torque on there, but not overdo it. There we go. There we go, guys. It's coming together. And of course, I didn't have a chance to Loctite this one in pre-assembly as well. There we go. Don't miss a bolt, guys. Sometimes they come pre-assembled loosely too. Don't assume those have been torqued. That's a first mistake many people make. Because it looks pre-assembled, it's just a mock-up pre-assemble, that's all. Okay, I'm just mocking it up. So these spacers are going to go on the inside to space it away from the master. Check it out, guys. Yeah, because the master needs the spaces right there. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of tough to hold in position, but just try to get it up there. You're twisting on the brake lines, obviously. And then I believe this goes like this. We'll see. Didn't really read the instructions too carefully, but I've done a lot of Woodcraft rear sets in my days. Such a great product. Always happy. The quality, fit, and finish is always right on. Oh, get this piece in the bottom, and then this thing is going to go through there. Let's put the clip on this side, easier to access. I know, go on the front side. Looks cleaner that way. There we go. So that is then going to mock up. Put this back in here. It's then going to mock up. Yeah, you're forcing the brake line. It's a solid brake line. How crazy is that? Yeah, just going to fit. And then brake actuation like that. Yeah. I'm not going to be using this anymore. I don't really care about a brake light. Eventually this will all be race anyways, but there is another kit, a piece you can get if you want your rear brake light. So it says right at the bottom of the instructions, the brake light switch and brake pedal return springs are optional for this kit. So there they have their numbers there, 097125 for the brake pedal spring and 0301100 for the brake light switch. So we don't need those because we're doing track only, guys. So now I'm just gonna bolt this up, turn the cotter pin. Here's a nice zoom in for you guys on my Note 9. So let's try to get this in position. Loctited, ready to go. Yeah, it's a tough fit. Try to get those first threads, make sure you don't cross thread. Grab the next one, Loctite it up. Get it in position. There we go. Hopefully everything works as it should. Yeah, there we go. Enough clearance back here. Just loosely for now. Get on the bike. Check your positioning. Oopsies. So you're riding along. Yeah. Seems good. So far. I can always adjust it with the actual bottom of... There's some threads on the master at the back. And to finish it off, I took this plastic piece off in the beginning. I don't know if it was necessary or not, but I did it because I wanted to do it. So I got Loctite on there. Just because to get it out of the way, see what's going on. There we go. Find the threads. I need my tool. I don't have my tool ready. Oh, here it is. Fail. There we go. Find the threads. There we go. Got my little... So anyways, guys, that's the brake side of the Woodcraft Rearsets. So, looking pretty good. We're going to head to the Willow Springs, do the Streets of Willow tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday with Let's Ride track days. So, that's like the 6th and 7th. So, these zones don't need too much torque. It's just, I got the Loctite in there and plastic. And I never got a chance to torque these guys up as well. Seattle tool here, T-handle Allen. They're Loctited also. Blue Loctite and everything. Bam! There we go. We're all done, guys. Anyways, this is Project Motoko. There's my RMZ 450 and my buddy Neven's R3. So we are heading to the track. Hope to see many people there. Rocking this bike out. Stock tires still. I really got to put some better ones on, but I was able to drag knee, not too bad with that stuff. Again, my name is Marcel Irnie, Irnieracing, world's best motorcycles. This guy, that's me. So, love motorcycles. Hope you guys enjoyed the Woodcraft install.